Hello, hello, my beloved ONPASSIVE family. Today, I invite you to pause and see the bigger picture with me. We're not just building a business. We are crafting a unified vision, one that transcends generations, borders, and beliefs. A vision grounded in wisdom, compassion, and a shared understanding of what truly matters. We strive to bridge generational gaps, to connect hearts and minds with purpose. This is about more than technology. It's about connection, mutual respect, and a shared purpose that fuels every step we take together. We are here to win together, to leave a lasting legacy, not just for us, but for those who come after us. Our dream is bold and beautiful: to uplift humanity, to empower individuals of all ages and walks of life, through education, personal development, and financial well-being, powered by technology the world has never seen before. We are committed to turning complexity into simplicity, using affordable, user-friendly solutions that work for everyone, everywhere. We're not building a company. We're building a movement that puts people first, a movement rooted in unity, dignity, and a future worth believing in. And to each of you who's walked this journey with us, thank you for your loyalty, your patience, and your unwavering belief. We are ONPASSIVE, and this is only the beginning. Together, we will create a legacy that echoes through time. The best is yet to come. Thank you for watching, and stay motivated. And stay tuned for ONU 7.